Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need fluids first, so begin sipping oral rehydration solution now. This replaces lost electrolytes and prevents dehydration. Once started, restrict irritating foods and switch to brat items because they bind stool and ease digestion. Make sure to stop dairy, alcohol, and fatty meals since they worsen bowel motility. Keep small, frequent sips and rest. This gives your gut time to calm. If you're caring for a child, measure carefully and note urine output so you can track improvement. Once rehydration is underway, strengthen recovery with targeted support. Prepare ORS exactly as measured because correct electrolyte balance matters. Next, probiotics help restore gut flora. Choose yogurt or a 5-10 billion CFU supplement for several days to speed normalization. Use ginger or peppermint tea to reduce cramping and nausea, while soluble fiber like oats or psyllium binds stool slowly. Make sure to avoid antidiarrheal drugs. If you have high fever, you'll finish by slowly refeeding. Step up portion sizes and reintroduce protein and vegetables over 2 to 3 days so your gut adapts without relapse. Monitor key warning signs. If diarrhea lasts more than 48 hours, contains blood, or you see dehydration or high fever, seek medical care promptly. If modest symptoms persist, one troubleshooting move is a short zinc course. This supports mucosal recovery. Make sure dosing matches age. Finally, keep fluid intake steady and pause any suspect foods until fully recovered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.